how to get DBS Digibank user ID. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get DBS Digibank user ID. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to get your DBS Digibank user ID because maybe you forgot it, what we can do is we can just go ahead and then launch the DBS Digibank application. And this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Now normally, when you went to the login button, if you had remembered your user ID and PIN, you would be able to enter them and log in without any sort of issues. But since you've forgotten your user ID, you're wondering how you can get it, tap on that little button that says forgot user ID. So tap on this user ID option right there. Now, you have to actually choose an identity type first, whether it's a Singaporean PR or NRIC or Malaysian IC or a passport. Depending on whatever details it is, after you do that, enter your identity number and your date of birth. Then once done, you tap the next button. After the app verifies that you are the owner of the account, it will give you your user ID. So that way you can get your DBS Digibank's user ID. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.